I hope you know what to do. I mean, honestly, at this point, you might not even be still watching this. You already might be doing some online arbitrage right now. You probably ain't gonna finish the video. I hope you finished the video, so I hope you're still watching. Guys, I hope that was valuable for you guys. That's a freebie right there.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
What is going on, family? I am back with another one. Hey guys, real quick, give this video a like because YouTube got this new algorithm, right, where if you like the video, it gets like, I don't know, some type of special treatment. So from now on, family, make sure y'all hit that like for me. Make sure y'all smash that like. Let's show YouTube that we the strongest family, of course. Guys, look. Why am I wearing headphones? Oh yeah, I still got my headphones on because I was listening to a new track that I created. Oh, but yeah, guys, this is going to be a special video. This is going to be a special one because as you see in the title, I'm going to give you guys a website for online arbitrage. And not only am I going to give you guys a website that you probably already know, maybe you just didn't think about it, maybe you don't know it, but I'm going to give it to you anyways, along with some items, maybe one or two items on the website that you can sell right now, guys. And if you act fast, you will be the first ones on the listing. Well, besides me, of course. Nah, but you'll be some of the first people on the listing from me, from this channel. So act fast because I'm quite sure this video is gonna get over 1,000 views. So let's go, guys. But I want to see 1,000 likes. That's what I want to see. I want to see 1,000 likes, guys. Start dropping the likes on the videos. That lets me know that I'm doing well and I gotta keep it coming and keep them coming. So start dropping those likes, guys, on the videos. But anyways, guys, without further ado, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna hop actually into the computer. Yes, this is gonna be in the computer. I'm gonna show you guys a website that you probably, like I said, you probably already know, but you just wasn't thinking about it. Or maybe you are using this website and now you're about to be mad that I'm gonna expose it to everybody else in the fam. I'm sorry if you've been crushing it on this website. It's a pretty obvious website. And if you haven't shopped on this website yet, I'm kind of surprised. But without further ado, let's jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you guys the website. Let's go. Online arbitrage. Make some money. Act fast and you will make some cash before everybody. Let's go. Guys, so once again, I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. And as you guys can see, I'm on the site aldi's.com. You guys, a lot of you guys know the store in person, but have you tried to shop there online? Guys, even goodwill.com. There's so many. You just got to think about them and think outside the box as well. Now, this isn't even an outside the box thought to me. I think this is kind of obvious, but anyways, guys, let's get right into it. What you want to do is, you know, like I said, use the filters as always. So what I would do from the start is I would pick a category. So I'm just gonna click the books and magazines. Also, guys, I have about maybe 4 or 5 items right now. You know what? Actually, more than that. I probably have about 7 items right now I reordered from this website, guys. I'm not going to give you all of them. I'm just going to try to find a brand new one right now, which I already did, and I'm just going to show you guys that. Now, if you go on this site and you just, you know, filter through it and you find the actual products that I found, then by all means buy them and relist them. But guys, I'm just showing you really quick what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys really fast. Once again, I'll go over here to the side filters and I like to filter it by percentage off. Now, you can do 75% off if you want, but let's just do 50% for now. Like, I always start off with 50%, and since there's a lot actually in the 75%, I should have clicked it, but I'm going to just do 50% for now and see what I can find, guys. Look at this. This is absolutely insane, guys. There's so many books that are 50% off right now. This is absolutely insane. Now, what you will want to do from here, guys, is pretty obvious. You would just open up your Amazon seller app on your phone, on your mobile phone, and just scan the covers of these books. I'm quite sure. Look at this one right here, going for $1.98, guys. $4.98. Guys, you will find profits here. Like, I've found tons of profits here, and I know people are gonna be hating about, talking about, well, are they new, blah 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 blah, like, guys, I'm making money doing it. So I mean, I haven't gotten in trouble. I haven't gotten in trouble, and I don't want to get in trouble, but guys, this is exactly what I'm doing. Now the risk is totally up to you. Yeah, the books that I've ordered from here, I ordered a couple so far. They've all been brand new, and I'm happy with them, and they've been making me money, and I haven't had any complaints. Now, I don't just get books from here. I'm just using this as an example right now. Guys, they have kitchen products. They have household products. You guys know all these. They have pretty much everything. So just search through the website. You're going to find some ridiculous deals, guys. But just a few minutes ago, before uploading this video, I found this book. So let me go find it for you right now. Making Records. I think that's what it was called. Making Records. It was a book. There it is, right there. The first book, guys. It was this one right here. Now, it is selling for $9.98 right now on Aldi's, and brand new, this book is going for $22.37. $22.37. So your profits will be over 100% ROI, guys. And it's just that simple. I'm gonna hop out of my computer to just show you that I am not lying to you guys. I'm gonna actually show you guys the profit. So just keep in mind this book right here. I'm gonna highlight it. You see it right here. Just keep in mind this book. I'm gonna click it for you guys. This book right here, guys. It is not sold out. As you can see, it says, oh wow, only one copy left in stock. But this is the only one I found, guys. So there's only one copy. But there's plenty more stuff, guys. So make sure you go look through. Whoever's first may get this book, the last copy that's left. But yeah, you're gonna make over 100% ROI on this. And there's many more products on here, guys. I'm telling you, I found so many, and I haven't even spent. Honestly, guys, I was on the site for maybe 45 minutes, and I found my 7 products, and I just reordered the same 7. I haven't even gone through to look for new products. I just did, and I came across this. So, guys, if you want to get this, hurry up and get it now. But I'm going to show you. I'm going to hop out the computer and actually show you the profits. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, so as you can see, there's the book, and right there for $9.98. Here it is right here. Amazing BSR. $22 in the profits. You see that? So if we put in, let's put in $10.50. Let's put in $10.50 just because. Even if it was $10.50, we're still making 100% ROI, guys. There you have it. And books are light as feathers. Well, not all of them, but I'm quite sure this one is. Maybe it is. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. But in either way, you're gonna make tons of profit, over 100% ROI, guys. There you have it. Okay, there you guys have it. I hope you know what to do. I mean, honestly, at this point, you might not even be still watching this. You already might be doing some online arbitrage right now. You probably ain't gonna finish the video. I hope you finished the video, so I hope you're still watching. Guys, I hope that was valuable for you guys. That's a freebie right there. Honestly, I was not going to show this website, even though it's super obvious. I still wasn't going to show it. I was going to keep it for myself for a little while, make some money off it. But I thought, you know what? What the heck? What the heck? My family needs some valuable, good content. Let me just give it to them. It is what it is. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And the people that hit the bell and get the notifications, well, you guys are first. So make sure you go stock up. Do what you got to do, guys. That's a website I'm using right now. That's a website I've been making profits off of. And yeah, guys, enjoy. Enjoy, okay? This is how you do it, all right? And really quick, I want to point out that I will start answering questions via uploads, guys. So if I see the questions, I will get to them in the comments or on Instagram, but also I will touch up on them here on the videos. When I upload a video, I'll do some, I'll make a video about something and I'll touch up on some questions, guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Be prepared for that. Probably from now on, I will be answering questions. Yeah, and as always, guys, if you're not a part of the fam, I mean, like, why? Look, if you're not a part of the fam, and you just over here just watching, just trolling us, like, come on, get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. You got to be a part of the fam. Let's be a part of the fam. Hit that subscribe button and tap that bell, you know, that ding dong, so you get notified when I upload a video. You guys know what I'm about to say, right? Because, I mean, it's every time. It's peace and love. I'm out.